Hey guys, it's me, Pit Crafters, and I just wanted to begin updating the tropics kind of a bit. And we've got this new type of, I don't know if you guys see this, which you probably should. We got this little yellow patch of area, which would, usually contribute to this remain down here. And we're gonna get just into this. But for some reason, when I go on National Hurricane Center, look, the yellow X is not appearing. For the yellow X is when it's like a tropical low. Like, like this one means like it probably won't form, but it could. This one means moderate chance of forming. This one is the highest chance of forming. And it already tells all the others down there. But for some reason, you can see these type of kind of organized clouds. It's day 3 on Pacific hurricane season, if you guys didn't know. I've been watching 413's tropical weather bulletin. It's pretty cool. I suggest you go check it out. But anyway, let's get right into this. Also, guys, I'm going to be starting some new gaming videos on Pitcrafters, so I can still keep a type of videos entertained for you guys. Okay, so now let's check out this low pressure. There's this random low pressure right here, which has kind of a slight chance of forming, medium chance of forming. It's right about here, which is kind of a weird place to form. It could become a typhoon, but I don't know. Because it's like right here, it's like in the south, but it's also right there. So I don't know if that's going to be a typhoon or not. But it has a kind of medium percent chance of forming, as you can see right down there on the JTWC. The Joint Typhoon Warning Center, they're not sponsored because I don't really do sponsors on here. Maybe I will in the future. But as you can see, nothing here in the West Pacific. Just this storm, 95P, which would also probably relate to 95W. But there's some more explaining to do. Look over here. You see the disturbance in the Pacific, which today is May 16th. So this is really the time when Pacific hurricane season really starts. As you can see, the yellow X isn't here, but this little slight patch of area, which means development likely in 5 days or where it's going. So it's mainly just going this way. And about the disturbance in the Pacific, I'm not sure about that. But I don't know if any of you guys have noticed, even though I just talked about this. You can see this type of development. It says no tropical cyclone activity is not expected during the next 48 hours. So that's interesting. Um, yeah, can you guys believe it's almost hurricane season? That's crazy. But anyway, guys, I think I'm just gonna go and end it here. If I missed anything, I will closely be watching this patch of 5-day area, and maybe this, like when I saw on Cyclocane. When I saw on Cyclocane, it had like a 30% chance of forming in the next 5 days. See? Look at this. In the next 5 days, 30%. In the next 2 days, 0%. So, I don't know, guys. Let's just keep looking an eye out, and I don't know what this is. Oh, I think this was from Anne, isn't it? The models are still going. Wow. Well, anyway, guys, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you. Bye.